Post Shave Balm. When do I use it? As the name states, directly after you've shaved. Now, some of us can be prone to lack of hydration when we've shaved. Some of us can be prone to redness. And what we're going to do with this lightweight product, it will have a 3-action approach. It will, with apple seed oil, really hydrate. With menthol, it will really calm. And then with Myramaze, which is a really clever plant extract, it will help to regenerate. So if you suffer with a bit of irritation, if you have a bit of redness, this lightweight formula will answer all those needs. It is a small amount. It's really simple. You just put it into your fingertips, and if I just freshly shaven, upward motions, and get that fresh scent. It has that fresh menthol that's going to really calm that freshly shaven skin.